This is specimen of liver. Liver has two lobes. The larger is right lobe, smaller is left lobe. These two lobes separated by a ligament, that is falciform ligament. Falciform ligament. This is diaphragmatic surface and this is visceral surface. On the visceral surface there are also two lobes. One more is caudate lobe in upper part, and in lower part this is quadrate lobe. So this is right lobe, left lobe, caudate lobe, quadrate lobe. Liver has only single border, that is sharp, that is inferior border. Inferior border. This surface is the right lateral surface. Right lateral surface. This ligament is falciform ligament. It extends toward the left side and known as left triangular ligament. On right side it extends in upper part, it is known as superior coronary ligament, and in lower part inferior coronary ligament. These two coronary ligament forms right triangular ligament. The area between these two coronary ligament that is not covered by peritoneum known as the bare area of the liver. This is bare area of the liver. You can see this is not covered by the peritoneum. So this area is known as the bare area of the liver. This is opening of the inferior vena cava. So anatomical position, if you put forceps and hold the liver like this, so inferior vena cava directed upward. So this is correct anatomical position of liver. This is wrong. This is correct anatomical position of liver. ये जो inferior vena cava है ये आपको थ्रू एंड थ्रू ऐसे दिखना चाहिए नीचे, ठीक है, फ्लोर इसमें से आपको दिखना चाहिए. दिस इज स्पेसिमेन ऑफ लिवर. सो दिस इज diaphragmatic surface. There is diaphragm. This is visceral surface. So visceral surface because there is viscera in relation to this surface. That's why it's known as visceral surface. So this area is for the renal. That is renal impression for the right kidney. ठीक है, right kidney. And this for the gastric area. This concavity is for the stomach, and this is for esophagus. This impression for esophagus. This is for pylori part. This area for pylori part of stomach, and this is